Because you, sir, had $100 to spend on Christmas and you spent $3.
No.
Yeah.
I'm selling that thing for $90 today, so that...
So you spent 110 more?
Can I have my phone thing? Thank you.
Because you're spoiled.
I'm not spoiled.
That's true.
Take it back before I tickle you.
You are spoiled.
Take it back.
I don't have to because it's true.
Take it back.
You don't have to.
Yeah. Here it comes.
I'm going to hurt you.
You're not going to hurt me.
I am going to hurt
Who's
you.
been hurt the most? I broke your arm. What else have I done to you?
You made me give birth 2 times.
What are you trying to do?
Got 2.
Look,
Get up, baby, Gabe!
He's coming. Get it. Look, he's coming after you, Daddy. Gabe has no fear. He's on the attack. Cover his butt.
Kiss the...
His underwear down.